Hello everyone, welcome to Siggy Cooks. Healthy black Urad Dal Sundal, a forgotten traditional recipe unique to the Sourashtra cuisine, popular in the regions of Madurai. You can find street vendors selling this healthy evening snack. It's nostalgic, a favorite delicacy, and a must-try recipe. Take half cup unsoaked black Urad Dal, wash well, and add 4 parts of water. Do not add salt at this stage. If you are using soaked black Urad Dal, 2 cups of water will be sufficient. Close and pressure cook for 1 whistle in high flame and 3 whistles in medium flame. If you are using soaked black Urad Dal, 2 whistles in high flame will be sufficient. In a mixer jar, add 5 teaspoon roasted gram, also called as pottu kadalai. Add 1 red chilli, quarter teaspoon hing, and required salt. Grind to a coarse powder. Pottu kadalai podi is now ready. You can also use this as idli podi. In a small saucepan, add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Add 1 green chilli finely chopped. And half cup water. Allow to boil. And continue cooking until all water is absorbed and onions turn soft. Onion varuval is now ready. You can also use this as a side dish for idli. Add required salt and mix well. Now drain water from cooked dal. You can use this water for any other purpose. The dal is well cooked. You can add required salt now and give a good mix. All the elements are now ready and it's time to serve. Top up cooked dal with onion varuval and sprinkle with pottu kadalai podi. It's traditionally served as a healthy breakfast or evening snack with Karupatti coffee. You can check my video on how to prepare Karupatti or palm Jaggery coffee. I've shared the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon on another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.